Orient's Hair Conditioner. Orient's Hair Conditioner is an excellent blend of natural oils with supreme hair care benefits. The natural oils provide great moisturizing effect and reduces hair damage due to breakage. The hair conditioner is a combination of coconut oil, avocado oil, almond oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, and wheat protein. Coconut oil. Traditionally well known to maintain hair care, its superior lauric acid content. It reduces protein loss in all hair types and has unique penetrating capacity into the hair shaft. It is an excellent hair conditioner. Avocado oil. It is extremely rich in oleic acids and monounsaturated fats, which can penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize your hair. These fats strengthen the hair shaft and help prevent damage. Almond oil. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, phospholipids, vitamin E, and magnesium. It nourishes and strengthens your hair and is optimal for treating hair loss and damaged hair. It adds silkiness, shine, and nourishes the scalp. Castor oil. It helps in moisturizing dry hair, taming frizz, and managing tangles. It also makes your hair grow stronger and thicker. Jojoba oil. It helps prevent dryness, breakage, and split ends. The oil can also moisturize the scalp and a good dandruff remedy. Argan oil. It has high amounts of vitamin E, which promotes healthy hair growth and boosts cells to produce healthy hair. It is commonly used for hair treatment and extremely beneficial for hair and scalp. Wheat protein. It's a gluten-free protein which penetrates through cuticle layers and strengthens your hair from within. Directions for use. Take adequate quantity and apply over length of your hair after shampoo. Rinse it after 3 minutes with normal water.